How to log in to Instagram account. So if you want to log in to your Instagram account, then first of all you have to open up a browser, any browser which you are comfortable with. I'm here with Google Chrome browser. Now in the search bar you have to search for www.instagram.com and search for that. And after searching, here you will have the login page or the Instagram page. So if you already have a saved account, then you can simply continue to your account. Or if you want to log into another account, then you can go to switch accounts. And now you have to enter your phone number or your username, or you can also enter your email address on the first blank. And after entering that, you have to enter your password on the next blank. But if you forgot your password, then you will have forgot password option, or you can also log in using your Facebook account. But if you don't have an account and if you want to create an account, then you can go to sign up, which is on the bottom side. But if you remember your username and password, then simply enter it and then click on login. And if you want to save your login info on your PC or laptop, then you can click on save. But if you don't want to save, then you can click on not now. And that's it. That's how you log into your Instagram account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.